Breaking news flashes across global television screens. A massive oil tanker burns in the dark waters of the Persian Gulf. Satellite maps zoom into a narrow waterway known as the Strait of Hormuz. This narrow passage controls nearly 20% of the world's oil supply. Tonight, the world is watching as tensions rise in one of the most critical energy routes on Earth. Reports emerge of a drone strike targeting an oil tanker. The tanker erupts into flames after a sudden explosion. Nearby ships quickly change course to avoid the danger zone. Naval forces rush toward the location to secure the waters. The attack immediately sends shockwaves through global energy markets. The Strait of Hormuz is one of the most strategic waterways in the world. Every day, hundreds of oil tankers pass through this route. Countries across Asia, Europe, and North America depend on this oil supply. If shipping stops here, the global fuel supply can collapse within days. This is why the entire world monitors every event in this region. Within hours of the attack, oil prices begin to surge. Energy traders scramble as markets react to the news. Gas stations across several countries begin raising fuel prices. Airlines and shipping companies prepare for higher fuel costs. The ripple effect spreads quickly across the global economy. Naval fleets increase patrols around the Strait of Hormuz. Fighter jets begin conducting surveillance missions. Military helicopters scan the water for threats. Radar systems monitor every ship entering the region. The situation grows more tense by the hour. Higher oil prices affect transportation around the world. Shipping costs rise for goods traveling between continents. Factories begin worrying about rising energy costs. Consumers notice higher fuel and electricity prices. A single attack now threatens stability across global markets. From space, the Earth glows with interconnected energy routes. The Strait of Hormuz remains one of the most fragile energy lifelines. One attack, one disruption, and the entire world feels the impact. The question now is simple. Will this crisis calm down, or is the global oil supply entering a dangerous new era?